Dr. Deborah E. Lipstadt's 2011 monograph, The Eichmann Trial, delves into the highly publicized trial of Adolf Eichmann in 1961, famously covered by Hannah Arendt in Eichmann in Jerusalem. This trial has since shaped contemporary discourse on the Holocaust. Lipstadt, the Dordt Professor of Modern Jewish History and Holocaust Studies at Emory University since 1993, also served on the United States Holocaust Memorial Council after being appointed by President Bill Clinton in 1994. Lipstadt gained further prominence due to a 1996 libel suit brought against her by author David Irving, whom she had labeled a Holocaust denier in her book Denying the Holocaust. Lipstadt and her publisher, Penguin Books, successfully defended themselves in court, with the ruling by Mr. Justice Gray refuting Irving's distortions of World War II history and the persecution of Europe's Jews across 349 pages. Adolf Eichmann, the former Nazi logistics official, orchestrated the transportation of Eastern Europe's Jews to ghettos and later to death camps during World War II under the directive of SS Obergruppenführer Reinhard Heydrich. Captured by Israel's Mossad in Argentina on May 11, 1960, Eichmann's extradition sparked international controversy. Lipstadt's monograph begins with this dramatic event, detailing the Mossad's clandestine operation to capture and transport Eichmann back to Israel, despite objections from Argentina and even some factions within the United States, including the American Jewish Committee. Despite calls for Eichmann's trial to be conducted by an international or German tribunal, Israeli Prime Minister David Ben-Gurion insisted on prosecuting him in Jerusalem. The trial, presided over by Israeli Attorney General Gideon Hausner, garnered significant attention and debate. Ultimately, Eichmann was convicted of war crimes and hanged in 1962, leaving an indelible mark on Holocaust history. Hausner's portrayal by Arendt depicted him as an overly theatrical and demagogic figure, more concerned with making an example out of Eichmann than ensuring a fair trial. In contrast, Lipstadt offers a more nuanced perspective, acknowledging Hausner's dramatic flair and emotional approach, while emphasizing the importance of centering Holocaust survivors' testimonies. According to Lipstadt, this tactic significantly impacted Israeli Jews-led perceptions of themselves in relation to European Jews persecuted by the Nazis, challenging previous notions that European Jews hadn't resisted enough. Survivor testimonies highlighted the overwhelming and methodical force of Nazi oppression, rendering resistance futile. Following her analysis of Eichmann's trial, Lipstadt delves into its aftermath, directly addressing Arendt's controversial interpretation. While Lipstadt agrees with Arendt's concept of the banality of evil, she disputes Arendt's portrayal of Eichmann as shallow and ignorant. Lipstadt argues that Arendt's preconceived notions led her to overlook evidence suggesting Eichmann's active role in plotting the Jewish genocide. Lipstadt also notes the pivotal role of the trial in the establishment of Holocaust museums in the United States, contending that Hausner's emphasis on survivor testimonies fundamentally changed how the Holocaust is remembered and commemorated worldwide. Lipstadt's examination of the trial seeks to disentangle Eichmann's narrative from Arendt's personal biases, acknowledging the impact of Arendt's perspectives while emphasizing the broader historical implications. Writing from a later vantage point than Arendt, Lipstadt considers how the trial has influenced subsequent discourse on the Holocaust, highlighting the complex interplay between historical interpretation and understanding. Ultimately, Lipstadt underscores the importance of critically evaluating historical narratives and recognizing their role in shaping collective memory. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.